Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a slider in an Odoo website. We'll be creating an image slider using Common Ninja, then embedding it directly into your Odoo site. This is a useful method because you do not need advanced coding knowledge, and you can still add a modern-looking slider to your website. This is a simple way to make your website look more dynamic and visually engaging, especially if you want to highlight products, promotions, or featured content. For example, you can use a slider to show new arrivals, seasonal offers, best-selling products, service banners, client work, or important announcements on your homepage. To begin, open your browser and search for Common Ninja. From the search results, click the Common Ninja website, then head over to the widget section. Common Ninja provides different website widgets, so make sure you are choosing the right one for an image-based slider. Once you're there, look for the image slider widget and open it. On the image slider page, click Create Widget for free to start building your slider. This will take you into the editor, where you can customize the slider before adding it to your Odoo website. Inside the editor, you'll see the default images already added. Click on the first image to open its settings. Then choose the option to replace the image. This is where you start changing the sample slider into your own website slider. Select the image you want to use from your media library, and after choosing it, click Use Media to confirm. If needed, you can also rename the image to keep your slider organized, especially if you're planning to manage several slides later on. A good tip is to use clear, high-quality images with the same size or similar layout, so the slider looks clean and balanced on your website. Continue repeating the same process for the other images in the slider, so each one matches the content you want to display. If you want to include more slides, you can also add additional images here. Just try not to add too many slides, because a simple slider with a few strong images usually works better than a long slider that visitors may not fully watch. This gives you flexibility to build a slider that fits your design and message. Once all your images are in place and everything looks good, click Save Changes. Before saving, you can quickly preview the slider to make sure the images are showing in the right order and the overall design matches your website style. After saving, go back to the home area of your Common Ninja dashboard. Find your widget and click the option to add it to your website. Then click Copy Code. This embed code is what connects your Common Ninja slider with your Odoo website page. This will copy the embed code you'll need for Odoo, so keep it ready in your clipboard. Make sure you do not copy only part of the code, because the full embed code is needed for the slider to display properly. Now, switch over to your Odoo website. Open the website section and click Edit to begin customizing the page where you want the slider to appear. You can add the slider to your home page, a product page, a landing page, or any section where visual content can help grab attention. From the available building blocks, drag and drop the embed code block into the section of the page where you want the slider displayed. Place it in a clean area of the page, such as near the top banner, under a heading, or inside a section where it supports the message of the page. Once the block is added, click Edit on that embed area. Then paste the code you copied from Common Ninja. After pasting it, click Save to apply the embed code. This step tells Odoo to load the slider from Common Ninja inside that section of your page. Then click Save again on the Odoo page editor to publish your changes. At this point, your slider should now appear on your website. You can preview the page to check how it looks on desktop and mobile, because sliders should be easy to view on different screen sizes. If needed, you can always go back and adjust the images in Common Ninja, then update the widget as needed. This is helpful because you can change promotions, banners, or featured images later without rebuilding the whole Odoo page from scratch. And that's how to add a slider in an Odoo website. Once it is added properly, your page can look more active, more visual, and more engaging for visitors.